HashCat is the self-proclaimed world's fastest password recovery tool. It has been a proprietary code base until 2015 and now released as free software. It's available for Linux, OS X, and Windows platform, and in CPU-based or GPU-based variants as well. It supports a wide range of hashing algorithms, including Microsoft LM hashes, MD4, MD5, SHA family, Unix script formats, MySQL, Cisco Peaks, etc. This is the website of HashCat. HashCat is available by default in Kali Linux also. HashCat features include world's first and only in-kernel rule engine and support for multi-platform like CPU, GPU, DSP, etc. Everything that comes with OpenCL runtime. Multi-hash cracking simultaneously, supports multi-device types, supports distributed cracking networks, supports interactive pass and resume, and also supports sessions and restore. It supports reading passwords from file and stdin, that is standard input, supports hex salt and hex character set. It supports automatic performance tuning and automatic key space ordering Markov chains. And it has built-in benchmarking system, integrated thermal watchdog, and 200 plus hash types implemented with optimum performance. Let us dive into the demo. These are some of the HashCat supported algorithms like MD4, 5, half MD5, SHA1, SHA224, SHA256, SHA384, SHA512, and the latest from SHA family, that is SHA3, KICAC, and many more algorithms are supported. HashCat offers multiple attack modes for obtaining effective and complex coverage over a hash's key space. The modes are brute force attack, dictionary attack, hybrid attack, permutation attack. We are going to have a demo on some of these types in the coming sessions. With some screenshots. HashCat supports OpenCL, that is computer language. Supported OpenCL runtimes are AMD, Apple, Intel, etc. Supported OpenCL device types are GPU, CPU, etc.